All right, guys, so in this video we're going to be working on the truck. Also, there's going to be some stuff that's out of order, but it doesn't really matter because I just decided to go another route because the other video would have been way too long, and I'm just trying not to do too much talking. I want to do more working than anything. So the truck is on the lift. I got the wheels off. What else? We got a bunch of parts, and some of these parts might be familiar to some of the OG subscribers. Kind of really more those. So obviously we got rotors, upper arms, sway bar, control, coilover, Jesus, rear shocks, links. I forgot what's in the little box. A bunch of fluids, filters, plugs, a water pump. I'll explain the water pump in a minute. Obviously just tools. The OG C601 calipers and OG C7 base calipers. A rear drop kit and some Beltec stuff for the front so we can get the alignment a whole lot better. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to do this a lot better than I did the last time. I'm obviously probably gonna have to drop the truck again to get this. I may or may not have to do that. We'll see here in a minute. Yeah, I think we gotta drop the we'll see. But yeah, as y'all guys saw, already did the transmission fluid on this one, but we didn't do the transfer case, front diff, or rear diff. So now that's what I'm about to do, and yeah, let's get to it. Oh, dang, I don't know how long I've been under there. Oh, hey, what's up, y'all? Oh, yeah. Okay. Whew. Well, I don't know if y'all noticed, but something's missing, and it's right there. And I don't know if you guys are interested or wonder why I'm stuck underneath this hood and why that's not in here. If you like, share, subscribe, and especially if you comment so I can get back with you guys, man, you can find out what's going on with this project over here with her second V. See you later, guys. All right, so now what we're going to end up doing is we're going to change the front diff fluid. God knows how long I've changed this engine oil. Like, this engine is gonna be highly pissed off at me. So we're gonna change that. We're gonna change the transfer case, and then also we're gonna change the rear diff. So in the video, I will post all the fluids and stuff that I use. Since the last time I did this on the truck, stuff have gotten very expensive because I was using Driven on the truck, and that stuff is too expensive for me right now. So yeah, let me get to it, and we can hopefully get started on doing some of the nice stuff that we really want to do to the truck other than the maintenance stuff. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, so to get a little belly pan thing off is a 15, 15, 15, 15, 10, a 10, and then two more 15s. 15, 15. So let me knock it out. All right, sorry. Oh, I was on the wrong side. Sorry, guys. I lied to y'all. It's only two 15s and it's four 10s. And you'll see the ones because the 15s are inside of the actual. So you're doing these two on the front. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So now, this is your fill, this is your drain on the front diff. So if I was you, I would try to take all your fills off first, because if you can't fill it, then guess what? You SOL. So let me go figure out what size this is real fast, and I get back with y'all. All right, so the top is a 18, and then that's a 3/8. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm just going to use my 1/2 inch with that drop down on it. So now I can put that 3/8 on it. Hold on. And now I actually have, you know, something to actually hold on to. So, finna see how it does. Okay. Jesus. Okay, there we go. There we go. Let me get that undone. Actually, I could just leave that. Oh, hold on. That's undone. Now, let's just break this bad boy loose. And there we go. So now all I gotta do is just unloosen that 18 up there and this 3/8 right here, and we can get started getting it drained. All right, well, I got it to drain. It actually came out pretty clean, so it was new fluid, but hey, at least I know it's new now. But yeah, so I got that bad boy off. I'm gonna let this trickle a little bit more. I'm gonna check that magnet over there. You can't really see it. And I'm gonna make sure there's no metal and stuff on it. So, yep, about to get ready to fill it back up. Okay, guys, in the previous video, we did the trans fluid because I have the shutter situation. But I'll just link you guys to that in the video. So look on the screen. I'll link it in there. And yeah, let's go to the transfer case. All right, we're on the transfer case. All right, so obviously this one here, that's your fill, that's your drain. They're both 18s. I already started on them, so I'm just gonna use the ratchet to get them off. I'm gonna make sure the transfer case is not overfilled, which yes, there is a procedure for this. So let me get started. I can already tell you, y'all see that color, that's supposed to be red. And that came out the fill. It was a little bit overfilled, which is fine. But man, this stuff is about to be black. I wish I wasn't so close to underneath the truck where I can show the GoPro, because yeah, I want to show y'all when this comes out, but I'm gonna try my best. Actually, hold on. Let's see if I can do something right here with the drive shaft. I hope y'all guys stay right there. All right, let's see. Okay. Now let's lift this thing up. Oh yeah, that shouldn't be that color. Yeah, that's black, guys. It shouldn't be this color. Okay, we're gonna let that trickle out. So I'm gonna sit this down. Oh. So hopefully that is not too bad, but yeah, we're gonna let that stuff trickle out until when that stream stops and it starts dripping, then we're good. Let's go. But man, that is crazy. I probably might just pump some fluid in there until it comes out red, because I got a bunch of it. So I'm gonna pump that until that come out red, and then yeah, let's try to get that thing cleaned out. All right, so 3/8 again, just like on the front diff, and then you got all these 10s that go around. I'm probably gonna do the bottom ones first, so once it starts pulling, it'll start dropping. But I'm just gonna hold the pan, and with my right hand, I know this is my left hand, but with my left hand, I'm gonna unloosen them. So just know, since I don't have nothing to like put this on, just know it's gonna slush out. So just be aware of what's about to happen before it happens. All right, well, I got it off. Also, there's a gasket that comes here. I mean, mine seem okay, but why not just replace it? So I have the new one here. I cleaned the pan, the backing cover. So I'm about to put this thing back on and undo the fill. So now we can go around and fill up the whole vehicle now. So everything is drained, nothing is filled yet. So let's get this done so we can put the new gasket on, put the rear cover on, and then everything can get filled. So, made a discovery. So, that's the new one. That's the old one. You see how much bigger it is? So, guess I gotta reuse this one. Alright guys, so now it's time to fill. Closed. I just drained this. Y'all pretty much pretty sure know how to drain engine oil, but if you don't, that's a 15. And then you know, you let that drain, turn the filter loose, let it drain, replace the filter, replace the drain plug, and on the top side is where you fill the oil if you didn't. Like I said, this is in another video. Drain closed, fill open, reuse the gasket, and then knocked it back all down. Drain is open, so let's get ready to fill. All right guys, you're gonna ask what I'm gonna put in the truck other than it being already been in the link. This Valvoline 7590 in the front transfer case, and the oil I use the Mobil 1 0W20 right above you. In the T case I use the regular Deck 6 in the T case, and in the diff it's Motril in the diff. So let's get the putting this stuff in. All right, so luckily, hold on, that's a little better. Luckily Justin has this thing here. I don't know what the hell this is for. I guess it's for like a laptop. But here's my pump, my fluid, and inside, let me see something real quick. If I do this, if I do that, what do y'all see? Okay, cool. So, let's see. Make sure these hoses don't pop the hell out. And if I was y'all, do not go fast. Unless y'all have something clamped around this those hoses. Let me push this in some more. Okay. Actually, let me turn this so I can see. Okay, so this one's done. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish filling it up, and I'll show y'all what's left over when I'm done. Alright, so now that's the color transmission fluid is supposed to be. I kind of overfilled it, but you can't really tell from that bottle how much you got in there. But I just overfilled it, let it drain out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just plug it on in now. Yeah, that stuff was black that came out. So I guess when I bought the car, they probably did half-ass maintenance on it. So, all right, we're done here. Tighten this down, and then we're on to the diff. Hey guys, this was pretty cool. You pop the lid and you push it out. Oh man, game changer. All right. Oh, this is nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. So look, so you pop, pull, come straight on out. Why can't everybody be like this? hey, in the comments, if y'all know anybody else that brands like this, let me know. Because this makes my life so much easier. Let me get this paint real quick. Now, it only takes half of the last one. So. Let's see how much. 32, 16. Okay, I probably went a little over, but there we go. And all right, what did I do with my tool? All right, so everything is tightened up. That's tightened up. The full cover's tightened up. That's all nice and clean now. Maybe not so much that, but that's tightened up. That's tightened up and tightened up. So only thing left is for me to drop the truck and put the oil in there. I cleaned up my little lovely spills and drippage. Just gotta let that stuff dry. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'm pretty sure y'all know how to fill oil. But yeah, that's how you change everything that you need to change that's liquid on the truck, other than coolant. I mean, you know, there's a fill hole up there for that. So hey, that's that part of the video. Next video is going to be about changing all the filters on a stock vehicle. Now, if you got like a Carter intake, then we can go back to another video. But hey, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and comment, please. Thank y'all. Peace.